Gonna make some pork chops, some mashed potatoes, some black-eyed peas today. Dang. This new sapsucker on sale. Honey chipotle rub. Season down. Season. Rub that meat. Might as well hit them with some black pepper, just for good measure. Ooh boy, pepper them down. You're still rocking and rolling. It's time to hit that oil. Crank it up. For the mashed taters, heavy whipping cream. Salt and pepper is all you need. Oh my lord, how could I have forgotten that you needed them butter in the mashed potatoes? Probably the most important ingredient. Start it high, get me a little sizzle, and then I turn it down. Woo. There you go. A little room. Toasty. Got a little extra loving on it. Tater's almost done. Ooh. Cut the heat off these bad boys. Everything done. Got butter going too. Right back in the same pot. That melt down a little bit. Just throw these right back in there with them. Get your masher. Go a little bit with that butter. Whipping cream. Generous amount. Salt it down. Lots of salt. Hit it with the pepper. And just mash it around and whip it. Add more salt and pepper if you like it. Mush. Whip. Oh Lord, what the heck happened to this thing? What the heck's wrong with you? Is that a batteries or something? Bone dive, these are the results. I already had some cornbread made, so I cheated there, and the black beans were out, black-eyed peas, were out of a can. So I cheated on those two. God, Jesus, my gimbal's dead. There's my potatoes. There's my pork chop. And I got these little sampler sauces. Blue Hog, Smoky Mountain, Teriyaki, Sesame Ginger, Blue Hog Champions Blend. So I'm gonna try them out. Lord, and I guess I'll charge my gimbal and my phone some more. Bad boy today. Trying it out. Hot chipotle. Dry rub was really good by itself. Let's try out these seasonings on these barbecue sauces. Oh. Champions blend. First one. This is one Smoky Mountain. Smoky Mountain's more like Tennessee-ish. Try that teriyaki. Teriyaki's good. This one, that's my winner right there. Blue Hog Champions Blend. It is a champion. Well, there we go. Part of the Clean Plate Club. Well, we did it. The meal was good. Pork turned out well. It was juicy. Tried out some new barbecue sauces. Got that Blue Hog Champion. It's my new favorite. I only had a couple snafus. Phone died, gimbal died, but it is what it is. At least I didn't burn down the kitchen, and it was much better than my breakfast this morning when I burnt up them eggs. But that's my pork meal for tonight. Yeah, them black eyed peas were good too, but I didn't really. They were just straight out of the can with some butter. Cornbread, my mom made that, so it was already made. So it was a pretty easy meal, easy peasy. Been eating them mashed potatoes every day. Probably even drink them as a milkshake. All right now.